Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Figma so you can speed up your design workflow. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Claude account, and then from here, you want to click on this plus icon, choose connectors, and then choose add connector. Now, this is where you can link apps. From here, you want to look for Figma in the connectors directory and simply click on it. Now, once you do that, choose connect and you will be asked to sign into your Figma account and approve permissions so Claude can access your files and designs. Once connected, you're basically all set. Now, instead of manually going through your design files, you can just ask Claude to help you. For example, you can say, summarize this Figma file or review my designs. You can also ask Claude to generate design ideas for you, suggest improvements, or even help you create content for your UI like headings, buttons, or descriptions. So basically, that's it. Connecting Claude to Figma turns it into a smart design assistant that helps you review, create, and improve your designs faster. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!